Let's talk about adaptive control. As its name suggests, adaptive control strategies allow the controller to adapt to changing environmental variables by constantly updating unknown system parameters. It estimates parameters using adaptive algorithms such as recursive least squares, gradient descent, and recently, neural networks. This control strategy guarantees a robust control system by handling uncertainties and variations without manual tuning. Some of the common types include model reference adaptive control, direct adaptive control, and indirect adaptive control. Some of the main applications of adaptive controls include aerospace systems, process control that is vital and super important for manufacturing processes, as well as robotics. And that's what adaptive control is.